So to make this sliding knot bracelet, we will start with 18 inches of 2mm nylon string. I generally start to just find the midpoint and just basically begin forming the circle of your bracelet. So the loose end should be in the back, and then you move that around the front, coming back at you again. And then once you've made 2 loops doing this, as you can see, I'm holding them with my right hand here, the end of the string goes through those 2 loops, and keeping it right in place, you just pull all 4 strings tight but not too tight, because you do want this to slide. And now you can see the 2 lines parallel to one another in the front, and then on the other side they crisscross. That's the way it should look. Now we're going to pick it up and do basically the same knot on the other side. We want to set it up in the same way. So with the loose hanging end in the back side, so I'll hold in place with my left thumb, and then that loose string is going to come forward, 1 loop, 2 loops, and then when it comes back around again, that loose end is going to go through both loops that we created, and just grab all 4 string again, hold it in that placement, pull, not too tight, creating that second knot. Okay, so now we are going to cut those ends away, and with our lighter melt the end, but be really careful that you don't adhere it to the other part of the string. Again, on the other side, snip, and melt it really carefully, pushing it away from the string. You don't want it to stick. Okay, and there you go, pushing it inward. You can see that it's not stuck, it's not melted together, it's in good condition. Both sliding knots work, and there's your little sliding knot bracelet. And here's a few more colors, a few more examples of this minimalist style, easy to make and very adjustable bracelet. Thanks for watching.